Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Jake.
Hey, nice to meet you, Jake. I'm David. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just moved to this neighborhood a few days ago. How about you? Have you been here long?
Oh, I've been living here for about 5 years now. It's a great place to live. The people are friendly, and there's a lot to do.
That's good to hear. I hope I'll like it here. Moving to a new place can be a bit overwhelming.
I totally understand. But don't worry, you'll settle in quickly. So, what made you choose this neighborhood?
Well, I was looking for a place that's quiet but still close to the city. I also heard that the community here is really welcoming.
That's true. We have a lot of community events and activities. You should definitely join some to meet new people.
That sounds great. Do you have any recommendations for good places to eat or hang out?
Absolutely. There's a nice coffee shop just around the corner. It's a great place to relax and meet locals. Also, if you like parks, there's a big one nearby where people go jogging, have picnics, or just enjoy the fresh air.
That sounds perfect. I love being outdoors. Maybe we can check it out together sometime.
Yeah, I'd love that. Welcome to the neighborhood, Jake.
Thanks, David. I appreciate it. Since you're a teacher, I bet you have a busy schedule. What's your daily routine like?
Yeah, my schedule is quite packed. I usually wake up at 6 a.m., have breakfast, and head to work by 7:30. My first class starts at 8 a.m.
That sounds early. How many classes do you teach in a day?
I usually teach about 5 classes. Each class lasts about an hour. But I also have lesson planning and grading to do after that.
That's a lot of work. How do you manage to stay organized?
I try to plan my lessons in advance and keep a schedule. But honestly, some days are more stressful than others.
I can imagine. How do you relax after work?
I like to read books, watch movies, or go for a walk in the evening. How about you? What's your daily routine like?
Since I work from home, my routine is quite flexible. I wake up around 8 a.m., have breakfast, and start work by 9. I usually take breaks throughout the day to keep my mind fresh.
That sounds nice. Do you ever feel lonely working from home?
Sometimes, yes. That's why I like to go to coffee shops or co-working spaces. It helps me stay social.
That makes sense. It's good to have a balance between work and social life. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love photography. I enjoy capturing moments and beautiful scenes. How about you?
That's great. I like playing the guitar and singing. It helps me relax.
That's awesome. Have you ever performed in public?
A few times. I played at a small event last year. It was nerve-wracking but fun.
I'd love to hear you play someday.
Sure. Maybe next time we meet, I'll bring my guitar.
That sounds great. Maybe we can even collaborate. I take pictures, and you play music. Could be fun.
That's an interesting idea. Let's do it.
Are you a good cook, David?
I'd say I'm decent. I can cook simple dishes like pasta, fried rice, and grilled chicken. What about you?
I'm not the best cook, but I love trying new recipes. Recently, I tried making homemade pizza.
That sounds delicious. How did it turn out?
Not bad. The crust was a little too thick, but the taste was good.
Cooking is all about experimenting. Do you have a favorite dish?
I love sushi. It's fresh and tasty. How about you?
I love spicy food, especially Thai and Indian dishes.
That's interesting. I can't handle too much spice, but I enjoy trying new flavors.
You should try a mild curry dish. It has great flavor without too much heat.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe you can recommend a good restaurant.
Sure. There's a great Thai place downtown. We should go sometime.
I'd love that. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently, but I'm planning a trip next month.
That sounds exciting. Where are you going?
I'm thinking of visiting Japan. I've always wanted to see Tokyo and Kyoto.
Japan is amazing. I went there 2 years ago. The food, the culture, everything is fantastic.
Do you have any travel tips for me?
Definitely. Try local street food, use public transport, and learn a few basic Japanese phrases. It helps a lot.
Thanks for the advice. I'll make sure to prepare well.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
That's a great question. I'd love to start my own language school someday. What about you?
That's a great goal. I hope to expand my design business and maybe travel more.
Those are amazing plans. I believe we should always keep learning and growing.
Absolutely. Life is all about growth and new experiences.
This was a great conversation, Jake. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Me too, David. It's always nice to meet someone who enjoys deep conversations.
Let's meet up again soon. Maybe for coffee next weekend?
That sounds perfect. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. See you soon.
See you.